Section 8.2 is titled Representing Linear Functions. So we're going to be working towards being able to graph a line given its slope and a point on a line. But before that, we're going to take time today to just graph linear functions. So first is the definition for a linear equation. And a linear equation is an equation whose graph is a line. So everything you graph today will be a straight line. If you graph something and your outcome or the graph does not look like a straight line, then you've got an error somewhere in your work. But the reason that we call this a linear function or a function is because each number in the domain, or the x value, is paired with exactly one number in the range, the y value. So our linear equations today will be functions. They will pass the vertical line test when you draw them. And also the x values won't repeat. So then a solution to a linear equation consists of two numbers, one for each variable that makes the equation true. And so today we'll be working a lot with finding the solutions to an equation, so we'll be writing our answers as ordered pairs. So first, we're going to find 5 solutions of y equals 3x. We're going to write the solutions as ordered pairs. So typically when we do this, I want you to use the same 5 numbers, starting with -2, 0, or excuse me, -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. Those are the 5 numbers that we'll use for x throughout most of this lesson today. In your homework, I'm a little more specific on the worksheet, and I give you different x values as the problems change. So what we're going to do first is we're going to plug in this -2 for the x in the equation. So y is going to equal 3 times -2. Y is going to equal 3 times -1. Then we have 3 times 0, 3 times 1, and 3 times 2. So then to get the y column, you simply multiply those numbers. 3 times -2 is -6, -3, 0, 3, and 6. And then finally we write our answers as ordered pairs. -2, -6, -1, -3, 0, 0, 1, 3, and 2, 6. So some of your homework will look like this. Find some solutions to the equation. Write some ordered pairs that make that equation a true statement. So now we're going to go on and graph. So in order to graph, I need those 6 ordered pairs or 5 ordered pairs. It was -2, -6, -1, -3, 0, 0, 1, 3, and 2, 6. So when we go over to the graph, you just plot those 5 ordered pairs. Now you can see why we did the graphing activity, so that we remember how to graph ordered pairs. So we're going -2 down 6, -1 down 3, 0, 0, +1, +3, and +2, +6. So you can see the points align in a line as they should. Also, I'm going to zoom in real quick on this graph. I want you to just see that in this graph, in these lines of numbers, the -10 through 10, and then also on the y-axis, there are actually a row of dots in there. So this row here is -1, the -1 line, and this row over here is the -1 line on the y-axis, or in the y direction. Okay. After you've plotted the ordered pairs, because it is a line, we do need to connect the dots. So try to draw it as straight as possible. Also, your line should have arrows on either end, because the line does continue in both directions indefinitely. Alright, let's try another example. Find 5 solutions. Now we have a new equation, y equals x plus 2, and write them as ordered pairs. So again, we're going to use -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. So y equals -2 plus 2, y equals -1 plus 2, 0 plus 2, 1 plus 2, and 2 plus 2. So for y we get 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. We write our ordered pair, our solutions as ordered pairs. So that's how you fill in the chart. Now I know that you don't have, well actually I did give the graph paper, so make sure you're doing these on the graphs. So now we want to graph it. So we have -2, 0, -1, 1, 0, 2, 1, 3. I'm just copying these from the previous slide, and 2, 4. So go ahead and graph those ordered pairs. -2, 0, -1, 1, 0, 2, 1, 3, and 2, 4. Again, our points align in a straight line, and you're going to connect those dots. I like to extend my line all the way across the graph. I think it looks a little nicer. And again, make sure you put arrows on both ends. Okay, the last one, if you want, try this one on your own. So again, you're plugging -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. Go ahead and pause the video here and see if you can fill in the rest of the chart. And then check with me to see if you get the same answers. So this is -4 times -2 minus 1. -4 times -1 minus 1. -4 times 0 minus 1. Now remember your order of operations. You multiply first. -4 times -2 is 8. 8 minus 1 is 7. -4 times -1 is 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. -4 times 0 is 0. 0 minus 1 is -1. -4 times 1 is -4. Minus 1 is -5. -4 times 2 is -8. -8 minus 1 is -9. So then we write them as XY ordered pairs, -2, 7, -1, 3, 0, -1, 1, -5, and 2, -9. And let's graph. So again, I'm going to write down those 5 ordered pairs since they're on the other slide. And now we graph. So left 2, down, no, up 7. Left 1, up 3. Again, notice that is right in that line there where the numbers are. 0, -1, 1, -5, 2, -9. And we're going to, we're going to connect the dots. Try to draw as straight as line as possible. If you want to use a ruler or a folder or a notebook or something to make a straight edge, that's fine. So there you go. Now you can graph linear functions using a table or making a table of values. And in class we'll work on worksheet 8 too.